My name is Sammie Chudek. I have been working at Feldmann Imports for a year and a half. I work in the client care department, so I take calls for customers coming in to schedule service and answer any questions that they have regarding their vehicle. My favorite part about my job is coming in and seeing all of my wonderful coworkers and being able to talk to different people and make a difference in their day and answer any questions they have regarding their vehicle. On the weekends, I like to take my dog on walks. I like to go up to my cabin and go on the boat and go fishing. My dog is a Husky Dalmatian. He is a year and a half and his name is Chance, and he is my pride and joy. If I could eat one thing for the rest of my life, it would definitely be wings. My favorite type of wings would be buffalo wings. Everybody always says that I have buffalo sauce running through my veins. My favorite place to get buffalo wings would be Ray J's in Minneapolis. I think that they have the best wings. When going on vacation, I like to go to different music festivals. My favorite one would be Electric Forest. It is in Michigan. I love going and listening to music. It is electronic dance music. I like hanging out with my friends and having a good time. My favorite perks about working at Feldmann Imports would be working closely with different vehicles and being able to learn something new about them every day. Something on my bucket list would be going to Europe for a few weeks and backpacking and seeing everything around the world. If I was stuck on an island, the 3 things that I would bring with me would be my dog, music, and wings. My favorite season in Minnesota would be spring. I love seeing all the flowers bloom and all the leaves coming back on the trees. My favorite Mercedes-Benz would be the GLE 63. I like the sporty look to it, and I like that it has the get up and go, and it's a fast car. Something that makes Feldmann Imports different than any other dealership is that it is family owned, which makes it feel like it's an actual family here. I really like everybody that I work with in my department because we all get along very well and we are always there to help each other when needed. This job is different than any other job that I've had because I am very interested in this field and it is the career path that I want to take. Weirdest thing I've ever eaten, I would say, would be alligator at the state fair. My ultimate dream job would be becoming a service advisor so that I can have more interaction with customers and be able to speak to them face to face. I would recommend Feldmann Imports to friends and family because we always strive for excellence and we always want to make sure you have a smile on your face when you're walking out of the door.